Welcome to the newscast. I'm Kristen Strakalaitis. The closure of the Ambassador Bridge between Windsor, Ontario and Detroit, Michigan last week has cost the auto sector a lot of money. Direct industry losses amount to $300 million. That includes a $155 million hit to automakers and $145 million in lost direct wages due to assembly plant shutdowns. The estimates were released Monday by consulting firm Anderson Economic Group. The bridge reopened Sunday after a 6-day shutdown. This after protesters who are angry with Canada's COVID-19 restrictions and other issues blocked traffic on the Canadian side of the bridge. Patrick Anderson is CEO of Anderson Economic Group. He says, quote, "Only some of that lost production can be made up given the tightness of the auto industry's supply chain right now." On Monday, Toyota said it has not yet resumed production at its 3 manufacturing lines in Ontario. Staying with output, General Motors says it plans to restart Chevrolet Bolt assembly in Michigan on April 4th. The move follows the longest-known safety-related assembly halt in company history. Production of the electric vehicle has been idled for nearly 6 months because of a sweeping fire risk recall. Output was idled so GM could prioritize module replacements with its battery supplier LG Energy Solution. LG plans to cover the vast majority of the recall cost, which could be up to $2 billion. EV startup Canoe has reportedly lost several key executives in recent weeks. This as the company is under investigation by the feds. Bloomberg sources say Canoe's vehicle program lead and software controls chief are among the recent departures. The losses complicate Canoe's efforts to begin manufacturing commercially focused electric vans this year. Canoe lost CEO Ulrich Kranz to Apple's car project early last year. According to a Canoe regulatory filing, the startup is under investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission over a 2020 merger with a blank check firm and departures of certain company officers. Staying with EVs, Audi and its Chinese state-owned partner, FAW Group, have received approval to begin construction on their $3.3 billion EV plants. Work will start in April. The factory will begin production in 2024 and have the capacity to manufacture 150,000 vehicles per year. The venture plans to produce 3 electric models, including the e-tron SUV, at the new plants. And thanks to Volocopter, we may be seeing electric air taxis in Southeast Asia within 2 years. The German company wants to start flying the taxis in Singapore in 2024. Flights to nearby Indonesia and Malaysia are also planned. Volocopter says it is aiming to operate a fleet of 10 to 20 air taxis around popular tourist destinations. The company is still seeking certification from the European Union Aviation Safety Agency to allow it to operate the air taxis in Europe as well as in Singapore. We are on Twitter at AUTONEWS TV. We'll see you tomorrow.